found this dog. I mean, this is very, very dirty. It doesn't have a collar. And it's a male dog, not neuter. And it's very beautiful. But you can tell that he's been homeless for a while because he's very dirty. It's pretty good temperament. And you can tell from the teeth, very, very young. So I'm pretty much a stranger to him. And I can lift his lip right now and pet him. So I could tell that he's going to be very good temperament. A little shy right now, which is okay, which is understandable. So we're going to rush him to the vet, get for a checkup, get him neuter, and start working on him. I can tell he's going to be very friendly, very, very happy. He's still very young. I think maybe 8 months, 10 months old. That's it. Yeah? Good boy. So it's going to put a collar on him right now. So good. This is how we caught him, using a slip leash. And we're gonna go put him in the car. Come on. Go put him in the car, take him to the vet. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, come. Come, don't be scared. It's right here. I need the other leash on. I need this one to catch other dogs. There you go. He's gonna go to the vet right now.